Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Previous 3 lectures we learn first what is algebraic expression. After that we learn terms. After that we learn uh, polynomials, and we learn addition and subtraction of the algebraic expressions. Today we are going to start exercise 9.1, and the question number 1 is identify the terms and their coefficients of the following expressions. We have already learned coefficients, we have already learned terms, and now what we have to do, we have to identify the terms and their coefficients. This is exercise 9.1, question number 1. So first of all, the part first, 2 parts I will show, rest you will do. Whenever you will see the lecture, first of all you will keep book in front of you, and 2 parts I will show, rest parts you will do. If in any part you have any confusion, you can write in comments. After that I will clear that also. So first one part is 5xy z square minus 3xy. Already you know, I explained you that terms are separated by 2 signs. First one, expressions having 2 terms. So here we are going to write terms. Here we are going to write coefficients. First one, algebraic expression, that is 5x square xyz square minus 3xy. How many terms are here? 1 and 2. So first one term we can write here 5xyz square, and second one term is minus 3xy. So this is one term and this is another term. What we have to identify? We have to identify the terms. Identify the terms. Terms we identify in part first, that is 5xyz square and 3xy. And now what we have to write? We have to write coefficient. Coefficient, we know the number which is with the variable. Here you can see in the first one term, number is here 5. So what we can write here? 5. Clear? This is the coefficient of first one term. And now second one term, that is 3xy. So what is the coefficient of second one term? That is minus 3. That is minus 3. This is part first. Clear? Now you can identify the terms as well as coefficients. Now is part second, that is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. First of all, what we have to do, what is in the question? Identify the terms. How many terms are here? You can see 1, 2, 3. First one term, that is 1. Second one term, that is x. Third one term, that is x square. This is part second. Clear? First one term is 1, x square. So 1 is constant, it is without variable, so we can write it directly here as 1 in coefficient column. Clear? But second one, you can see here is only x. There isn't any number. But when there is alone variable, it means the variable is multiplied by 1. So it is x here. We know when here isn't any other number with the variable, that at that time there will be 1. So we will write here 1. Why 1? Because 1 into x, again it will become x. So coefficient of x is here 1. Clear? And now second one, that is x square. X square is also, there isn't any variable but there is 1. When there isn't any other number, then there will be 1. Because 1 into x square, it will become again x square. So variable coefficient of x square is 1. By this way, we can identify the terms and coefficients of algebraic expressions. This is question number 1. Now, second question. Classify the following polynomials as monomial, binomial, trinomial. And polynomials I have written myself. There are other questions, other polynomials. So, but we have to learn here how to classify. We already learned in the previous lecture, we have learned monomial, binomial, trinomial. Monomial means having one term, binomial means 2 terms, and trinomial means 3 terms. Now here, look towards first one. Expression Our first one polynomial. How many terms? X plus y. 2 terms. So what we can say? This one is binomial. This one is binomial. And here it is alone. 1000x. 1000x. It is only one term. So we can write this one as monomial. And now look towards here. Another. Here it is x square plus x cube. How many terms are here? 3 terms. Already we learned terms are separated by positive and negative. Here it is x square plus x cube. X square is one term, x is another term, x cube is another term. So how many terms are here? 3 terms. When 3 terms, what we can say that one? That one is known as trinomial. What we call that? Trinomial. Clear? Now next, here it is 3x plus 5y. How many terms in this expression? 2 terms. So what we can say? This is known as binomial. And now last one term. Last one expression. How many are there? X square is one term, 2x is another term, plus 1 is another term. So in this are also how many terms? 3 terms. So we can say this one is known as trinomial. What we can call this one? Trinomial. And same way you have to do question number 2. Whatever the expressions are given, polynomials are given, same way you have to classify the polynomial. Means binomial having 2 terms, monomial 1 term, trinomial 3 terms, binomial 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms, trinomial. Same way you will do the question number 2 of exercise 9.1. Now question number 3. Add the following. Part first I will explain, rest you will do. If anywhere any confusion in any part, you will write in comments. So part first, add the following. AB minus BC comma BC minus CA comma CA minus AB. Already dear students, already we have learned in lecture 2, we have learned how to add algebraic expression. In that we learn we have to use like and unlike terms. We have to add like terms. For example, first of all, we are going to write first one expression, that is AB minus BC. Clear, my dear? Here what it is here? Comma. Comma means plus. I am going to write that here. Here what is here? AB minus BC, that we have written. Second one is BC minus CA. But here in first one expression, there is only BC but not CA. So here we are going to write BC. Here we are going to write CA. Clear? And another is CA minus AB. Third one expression is CA minus AB. CA. CA is here. So we can write here CA. Clear, my dear? But it is plus. And now here it is AB, but it is negative, that we are going to write here AB. Now you can see like terms are in same column. AB, AB, BC, BC, CA, CA. But this one is plus. You can see first one AB minus BC. Second one BC minus CA. BC minus CA. Third one CA minus AB. CA minus AB. But what we have to do? We have to add. First I will show you by this way. After that I will show you another method. Directly how we can add. You can see, my dear. Here it is plus AB. Here it is minus AB. Cancel. Here it is plus BC. Here it is minus BC. Cancel. Here it is plus CA. Here it is minus CA. Cancel. So what is the sum of the 3 algebraic expressions? That is 0. Or by this way also we can do. We can write it like this. AB minus BC. And now what is here? Comma. Instead of comma we are going to write plus BC. Then what is here? Minus CA. Then what is here? Comma. Instead of comma we are going to write plus. And what is here? CA. Then what is? Minus AB. Now you can see, my dear. We know if we are doing in numerics, numeric expression 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0, or we can say this one cancel, answer is 0. Same way here. Here it is plus AB. Here it is minus AB. These two are like. So AB minus AB, that is 0. We can cancel AB minus AB. This one is plus, this one is minus. Now second one. Here it is BC. Where is another like term? Here, that is BC. But this one is positive. This one is negative. Cancel this one and this one. Now look towards next term. Here it is minus CA. Here it is plus CA. That is positive, negative term. So this one cancel. Our answer is 0. By this way, you can do the rest parts. Now question number 4. Part first, exercise 9.1. Subtract. Already we learned how to add, how to subtract in previous lecture. Today we are doing exercise 9.1. Part A is subtract 4A minus 7AB plus 3B plus 12 from 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3. Already we learned. Now what we are going to write? This we have to subtract, this expression we have to subtract from this expression. So we are going to write first this one, that is 12A minus 9AB plus 5B minus 3. Now we have to subtract this one. This we are going to write like terms in same column. Here it is 12A, here it is 4A. We are going to write 4A downside of 12A, and now here minus 7AB, then plus 3B plus 12. Now you can see like terms are in same column. Here is A, these two are like. Here is AB, here is AB, these two are like. Here is B, here is B, these two are like. These two are constants. They all are in same column. And now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. But already we have learned when we have to subtract, already, for example, 8 minus 2. What we are using here? When subtraction sign, same way we have to use here, but with that very negative sign, we have to multiply that to all the algebraic expression, terms of all the algebraic expression. So when we multiply this one by negative sign, this will become negative. This is positive. This one will negative. This one will become positive. This one is positive. This one will become negative. This one is positive. This one will become negative. Clear? And now you can see 12A minus 4A, that is 12 minus 4, that is 8. And now here variable, that is 8. Clear? Now here you can see, here we have to subtract plus 7B from minus 9B. 9 is greater than 7 and 9 is having which sign? Negative sign. So we are going to put here negative sign, and now 9 minus 7, that is 2. And here we are going to write the variable A, B. Now you can see here, upside is plus 5, downside is minus 3. 5 is having the positive sign. So we are going to write here positive sign, 5B minus 3B, that is 5 minus 3, that is 2. And variable we are going to write the same, that is B. Now here you can see constant terms. Both are now negative. We have to consider now this sign, not this one sign. That is both are negative. So we have to add, but sign we have to keep negative. That is 12 plus 3, that is 15, but minus 15. And same way you will do the rest parts of the exercise 9.1. If anywhere any confusion, you can write in comments. Allah Hafiz.